Hi, Maria. I'm reporting live from Davao City, and all eyes on Davao City because of many reasons. One, because this is the first time that an elected official or a candidate is currently detained in The Hague, Netherlands, and that's Rodrigo Duterte. And there's a possibility that his fellow Davaoenos would elect him once more for the eighth time as Davao City Mayor. And that's the bigger picture. We also need to talk about Davao politics because whatever happens here in Davao would surely reflect and have implications on the national scene, particularly our road to the 2028 elections. Because, as you know, a lot of things have already happened to the Dutertes. The former president, Rodrigo Duterte, the former president, former strongman, have been arrested over his crimes against humanity case in the International Criminal Court. Her daughter, Vice President Sara Duterte, have been impeached and is waiting her trial in the Senate. But despite these things, they still enjoy a massive backing from their supporters. So we will see if this elections is a test to them, because we will see if the narrative, the voting patterns of the Waweños have shifted, and if these things, particularly the ICC, the Sara Duterte impeachment factor, have affected their popularity and influence in the politics, especially in their bailiwick, Davao City. And on the other side of the conversation, Davao politics is really a complicated one, because in Davao City, former allies have turned into enemies once more. The Dutertes are facing their former allies in key positions. The Nograleses and the Garcias have went against the Dutertes in these elections. And it's important to note that Duterte's contender in the Davao City mayoralty post is none other than his former cabinet secretary and spokesperson, Carlo Nograles, who is trying to etch his name in the list of Davao City chiefs. Because, Maria, as you know, Davao City have been under the Duterte since 1988. Only a Duterte has served as mayor in Davao City since 1988, 34 years, except in 1998 to 2000. And Carlo Nograles will be trying his luck and his fate and do the thing that his late father, former Speaker Prospero Nograles, has failed to do, and that is to defeat the Dutertes in their own bailiwick as Davao City Mayor.